All right, here we are back at the project page for your How the World Works project. Let's take a look at the rubric for your brochure. You can click this link, it will open a new tab, and this is for your weather brochure rubric. This is one document that also has your weather report rubric. So let's look at the first page for your weather brochure rubric. This is broken into the different tasks. You can look at the headings at the left on the left column. Organization, you can earn a 4 if it's advanced, a 3 if it's proficient, a 2 if it's approaching proficiency, or a 1 if it's below proficiency with respect to organization. There's a grade for content. Is it advanced, proficient, approaching, or below proficiency? There's a grade for visuals. Is it a 4? Is it a 3? Is it a 2? Is it a 1? Or are they a 4, 3, 2, 1? And the elements section. Now this is the section that if you want to earn a 4, you have to do an about the author section on the back panel. Okay, and there's a grade for elements. So a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1. There is also a grade for conventions. So if you have no spelling errors, you earn a 4. Or a 3 if there's more than one spelling error or writing error. A 2 if there's more than 3 spelling errors. Or a 1 if there's more than 3 spelling or writing errors. Or if it doesn't appear that you had the information isn't written in sentences. Okay? So to get a maximum of 20 points, all elements from 4 or advanced from all 5 sections must be met. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. You get a grade. 5 times 4 is 20, right? That's why it says in the directions, if you don't have an about the author panel, the maximum you can get is 19 points because you cannot earn 4 points on the elements section without about the author, okay? So sections must be written in students' own words to be graded at proficient. So if you have not used your own words, but you've copied information and it does not sound like your words, you cannot get proficient. You can only score a 2 or a 1. Okay, so this is taking a look at the rubric for the weather brochure. When I look at a rubric, I always take a look at the advanced section because that's the grade I'm hoping to get. So shoot for the moon and you'll at least land among the stars. So organization. Brochure was exceptionally neat and organized. Information was exceptionally organized. Handwriting was exceptionally neat. I will try to do all of that to get a 4 in organization. In content, I tried to get a 4. Use of facts and the quantity of information is exceptional. Information is accurate and easy to understand. Sections were written in students' own words. Okay. For visuals, pictures are placed in the matching section. Pictures are beautifully colored, detailed, and neat, and at least 3 pictures are used. So you do need at least 3 pictures to get a 4, and they should be of your highest quality. In the elements section, student had all required sections of the brochure with clear labels for each section. Student added an about the author section on the back panel. Now, the elements section, if you're not sure of the sections, we're going back to the directions, and let's just take a look at what are the sections. So these are the sections. You have to have a title and a cover. You have to have a what they are section. You have to have a how are they predicted section. You have to have a how do they impact the community section. And you have to have an example or a historical event of one of your weather section. Okay? So just to be clear, always go back to the directions, and before you begin, look at the rubric. If you're listening to this video, this counts as you looking at the rubric. For the convention section, there are no spelling errors, and all sections of the brochure are free of writing errors. Think about ending punctuation here, and capitalization and spelling. Those are the 3 big ones: spelling, punctuation, capitalization. Okay? If you do your best to try to get 4s in all areas, even if you don't get a 4 in every area, you will be having done your best work. So good luck, have fun, and enjoy this project.